Hey, greeting and welcome to a captivating session of Technical Talk with Brijesh. And I'm Brijesh. And in this session, I'm going to talk about the advances of feature where we are going to cover module 2 and we are talking about the overriding of two-string method here. You probably already familiar with the fact that everything in .NET is an object and all the objects are inherit from the object base class. So as a result, all the object in .NET inherit the method of the base class too. So some of which I already listed here, what you can see on the screen, and like equal, get hash code, get type, member wise clone. So this is the important method. That's why I mentioned here. There are a lot more. I cannot cover all things here. And in this video, I'm going to cover the overriding of two-string method here. Okay, so let's jump to the code and let's see how we can do this one. So here, okay, so here you can see here, I already created a variable of float this one, and then we can say string variable is there, and we can say x dot two strings will automatically convert any data type to the string, and we can console here. First, we see this example, okay, and let's see, and then we try to override it, and we'll see how we can do overriding. So here I'm trying to use .NET Run command, and you can see the output is 42 because now it's converted to a string and we are returning here. Okay, good. So it's C here. Now, the second is, as you can see here, I already declare one class is a person class. So person class contain three properties: first name, last name, and age. Okay, and to implement overriding, so this is the example, right? What I'm trying to show you, right? How we can create our custom type class to do the overriding stuff. So here we can say person, and I'm trying to create object of person, and we can say new person. Okay, and here we have three properties, right? The first name. So first name, I'm trying to give Rajesh. Okay, and we can say last name, we can say Mar, age, we can say 35. So here what we are providing three properties what we mentioned here in person class, right? First name, last name, and age. Okay, now I'm trying to console, but right line here. Okay, I'm trying to console this person class object. Okay, here. So now, what is the expected behavior? What we need actually, we wanted to print the first name, last name, and age. Okay, and let's see what will be the output here. So when I try to run again, second, is that the name? Oh, sorry. What is it? Is there is a person. Okay, now try to run one more time, and we'll see what will be the output here. Okay, so now you can see here when I'm trying to run this object, so instead of returning first name, last name, and age, this variable is returning me the class name. This is the person class. This is the class name is person, right? So we are getting that one. That is not the one what we are looking for. Okay, so how we can achieve this thing, how we can do the overriding here to get the result as expected. So we can declare here the public, and we can say override. Okay, and when we say override, we are saying what one we want to override, and we can say return, and what method we want to override, we can say tool string. Okay, so this is the method what we want to override here. Okay, and when we are overriding this method, we want to return something, okay, from the class. So I wanted to return here first name, so I wanted to return here, sorry, first name, first name. Okay, then last name, then I wanted to return age. Okay, so whatever age is there, so this is the one what I want to return it here. So exactly same thing is there. I'm not going to touch anything here. Okay, what I did, I simply said override value here, string to string, and we can see this one. Okay, let's save this and run one more time, and let's see what will be the output here. Okay, cool. Now you can see here when I'm doing this overriding, so this is by default string values is there, right? So whenever I say override string, and this is the way how you can return the value. In general, whenever you're defining the custom class, right, you should always override the toString method, because it will be used all kind of troubleshooting and debugging scenario kind of things is there when we are working on a big scenarios and a lot of things are there. Okay, so this is the way how you can do the overriding of toString in the class and how you can use it here. Okay, until then we can see you next video. Embrace the joy of learning.